In this video, I'm going to explain in simple English how meta ads targeting works now after the big algorithm change, often called Andromeda, and exactly how to adjust your setup so your ads start performing again. So give me a few minutes and I'll save you months of testing all the wrong things. We're going to cover what actually changed and why your old targeting now underperforms, the new targeting mindset Meta wants you to use, a simple campaign structure that fits with the update, and how to optimize without breaking your learning. Chapters are linked in the description, so let's get into it. So chapter 1, what Meta changed, the plain English version. Previously, Meta struggled with the first step of delivery, which is ad retrieval. That's the bit where the system picks a short list of ads that could be shown to a person. There were millions and millions of ads out there and not enough computing power to consider them all fairly, so the system tended to find an early winner and pile all of your budget into 1, 2, 3 creatives. Broad, catch-all messages did well, but more niche messaging and targeting didn't really work. After the Andromeda update, Meta rebuilt that retrieval engine and it's said to be up to 10,000 times faster. Think it is swapping a tired old librarian for a Formula One pit crew. The system can consider far more ads, much faster, build a better shortlist for each individual person to receive specific ads. It doesn't just know that you like shoes, for example, it knows that you like red flip-flops for the beach, and it can quickly retrieve the best ads to sell you that product. The result is less reliance on micro-targeting within the ad set and more weight on what's inside your actual ad, such as the copy, the visuals, and the target customer pain points to decide who is going to see it. Today, budget spreads across more creatives because Meta can match different ads to different people. So you'll see your budget distributed much more evenly in the future. Now, if your performance has recently dipped, it's because your old setup was built for the old audience targeting. Now, where Meta picked 1 or 2 winners and pushed all of your budget into those ads, that era is over. So chapter 2, the new targeting mindset. The old mindset was that you'll build a super specific audience and show them 1 or 2 broadly described ads. The new mindset is you'll keep the audience broad and your ads themselves will act as the targeting. In practice, that means building meaningfully different ads, not near duplicates with just different hooks. You want variety in concepts and angles, problem solution, pain points, testimonials, demos, comparisons, etc. In terms of your ad formats, you're going to want a good mix of short video, long video, static images, carousels, collections, and more. In terms of audience personas, speak to different types of awareness levels: unaware, problem aware, solution aware, product aware, and most aware. This is your traditional marketing targeting that is now becoming more relevant for Meta in 2026 and beyond. Your copy and your creative become your keywords if you're into SEO. So make it obvious who the ad is for and what outcome that they will get. So this video is sponsored by Go High Level. If you don't already have a CRM hooked into Meta, you're leaving money on the table. Go High Level pulls leads straight into pipelines, triggers instant emails and text, and makes follow-up automatic. We use it because it's all in one, like HubSpot, but way cheaper. Use the link below for an extended trial. Chapter 3, improve your targeting with this simple campaign structure. It's so much easier. So here's a structure we're rolling out across accounts because it fits the new system and it keeps you sane through simplicity. So simply have a single campaign per performance objective that you're trying to achieve. If all you want is leads, whether that be on forms or through your website, just create one single campaign. If you want to achieve leads and you want to achieve direct website sales, you will need 2 different campaigns, 1 sales, 1 leads. Then limit your ad sets as much as possible. Most of the time at the moment, we're using just 1 ad set with a broad audience targeting via Advantage Plus. You may need more ad sets only if you want to retarget at specific stages, because this means you can reach your retargeting audience with different content. We then build 20+ ads within each ad set. Our ads are written for a variety of audience personas. For example, we're just redesigning a campaign for a legal services client, and previously we ran multiple ads for their employment law services. Whereas now we're niching down and we have ads that talk about workplace discrimination, constructive dismissal, maternity issues, negotiated exits, etc. Each audience persona is suffering different problems, and the algorithm can now match the most suitable audience to the most suitable ad. Previously, it couldn't, so we just needed really broad messaging. So chapter 4 is what to do with warm audiences. As mentioned earlier, if you want specific content to reach your retargeting audience, then you'll need a separate ad set that is set up specifically just to target that remarketing audience, that warm audience. Outside of that, retargeting is already baked into the Advantage Plus algorithm. So if somebody goes to your website via Google Ads, you can almost guarantee the next time they visit a Meta platform, they will be seeing your ads. So only broaden your ad sets if you want retargeting audience to see specific retargeting content. Chapter 5, let's talk about tracking. Because for all of this to work properly, you need great data integrations. Your pixel must be set up with various website actions properly recorded and tracking correctly. Then you must have your conversion API sorted. After this, within the advertising settings section, make sure you tell the system who your active customers are and who your engaged audience is. If you have a CRM, integrate it into Meta Ads Manager so it can see and understand your pipeline. And if you have customer lists of all the people you've previously worked with even, upload it into a custom audience. Meta needs all this data to consider how to use your advertising and target effectively. If you want to understand how to do all of that, subscribe to this channel and follow our simple guides. So I hope this helps, and we will see you next time. But you have to implement all of that stuff post-Andromeda if you want to be successful.